Hi everyone, welcome to this Java tutorial. Today we are going to write and understand our very first Java program, the classic Hello World. Java is one of the most popular programming languages and learning it can open doors to many exciting opportunities. So let's start coding. Before we begin, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more programming tutorials. The first program we write in any language is usually Hello World, a simple program that prints text on the screen. Let's see how it looks in Java. Let's understand the code. In Java, everything revolves around classes and methods. The main method acts as the entry point for execution. When you run a Java program, the main method gets called automatically. The system.out.println statement is used to print output to the console. Understanding these concepts is essential for writing more complex Java programs in the future. Understanding compilation and execution. When we compile the Java file using JAVAC, it translates the source code into bytecode, a .class file. This bytecode is platform independent and runs on the Java Virtual Machine JVM. When we run the program using Java Hello World, the JVM executes the bytecode and prints the output. Java follows a two-step process, compilation and execution. Unlike languages like Python, which run code directly, Java compiles code into an intermediate bytecode that runs on the JVM. This feature makes Java highly portable across different platforms. Let's understand variables. Variables store data values that a program can manipulate. Java has different data types to handle different types of values. Int for integers, string for text, double for decimal numbers, boolean for true-false values. Using variables makes our programs flexible and reusable, allowing us to work with different values dynamically. Now let's understanding classes and objects. In Java, a class defines the properties and behaviors of objects. Objects are created using the new keyword, and their attributes like brand and speed can be assigned values. The method displayInfo prints the object's details. This is the foundation of object-oriented programming (OOP) in Java. That's it for today. You've learned how to write and run a Java program, how to use variables to store values, how classes help us create objects, how objects interact with methods, the step-by-step execution process in Java. Java is fun and we're just getting started. Stay tuned for more Java tutorials. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Keep coding, keep learning and see you in the next video.